he or she is speaking to show our respect to them. We are also showing perseverance and by doing our best and working hard and focusing on a task at hand. Okay, so may I have Roy please read our objective for today.
Students will be able to distribute property to solve numerical problems.
Okay, so our goal for today is to be able to apply the distributive property in solving numerical problems. Distributive property is the distribution of multiplication over addition. In order to use the distributive property, we must have both multiplication and addition in a problem. What this means is that we must multiply we must multiply numbers outside of a parenthesis to each of the numbers in a parenthesis. And why is this important for us to learn? Okay. Isn't that you're not tracking me? That's your first one. Okay. I need a... Thank you. And why is this important for us to learn? The distributive property is one of the most important and fundamental parts of algebra. Okay. Learning to apply the distributive property to solve numerical problems and understanding the concept is essential to our success in algebra and calculus. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to model. Jaden, track me please. That's one. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to model a problem for you. And Miss Anaya, that's another warning. Okay. I'm asking you guys to track me when I'm talking. Track the speaker, Jaden, and okay. So I will model how to apply this distributive property to solve for our numerical problem. Okay, thank you. So here is my number. Right here. Okay. So.
Oh, just gonna help out real quick. Real quick, can I have everyone please take out a piece of paper so we can make sure that we're writing down this teacher model before we start going. So please take the next, let's say, 15 seconds to take out a piece of paper. Please raise your hand. Thank you, Miss Anaya. You sent a warning, and I'll get you a piece of paper.
Okay. So just by looking at the problem, there are two things that stands out to me. First, I see that there is an addition problem, and the addition problem is in this parenthesis. There is also a multiplication factor, and from the previous work in math that I did, I learned that there are ways to write a multiplication One way is 5 times 3. Another way is 5 parentheses 3. And the other one is parentheses 5 and parentheses 3. Okay. So this helps me recognize when there is a problem, when there is a multiplication factor in the problem. Does that work? Okay, that works. Okay. So, in this problem, I know that 5 is to be multiplied. Okay, that's first consequence. Looks like you guys pay attention. Thank you. Okay. So, I know that the 5 is to be multiplied by the number inside the parentheses. Okay? But how do we apply this distributive property to this problem? Distributive property means the distribution of multiplication over addition. I repeat that, the distribution of multiplication over addition. Okay, so the first thing I will do is to distribute or to multiply this by the 5 by the numbers inside the parentheses. Okay? So I know it's 5 times 3 and then 5 times 10.